everybody, long time no vlog. Oops. Sorry, I just accidentally hit her in the face. Sorry, Sephora. This is Sephora. I've been cat sitting her for the past month and we'll be cat sitting her for 3 more months. I actually had no plans of vlogging, but as I was getting ready for a very, very special event, I remembered how a lot of you guys have found me through Living Like Stray Kids Han for a day video. I can't believe a lot of you guys think that I look like Han. I definitely want to do more of those videos, like living like, maybe I'll do another Stray Kids member, or other than Han, I also got that I look like Chungwon from ENHYPEN. Thank you so much for the love on that video, by the way. I've been wanting to get back on YouTube for so long. It's on my mind every day, but I just keep pushing it off because I keep prioritizing other things in my life. So thank you so much for being patient with me, for sticking around. I'm actually gonna be right back because it's so hard for me to talk and do makeup at the same time. Transition in 3, 2, 1. My makeup is not really a makeup thing. I got my outfit together. I like it, but it also feels a little silly. Stray Kids color is red and black, I think. So I'm gonna be wearing this purse. I don't even know if I mentioned that the event that I'm going to is a Stray Kids concert, guys. My friend Sean had an extra free ticket and he asked me last night if I wanted to go. And how could I say no to a free Stray Kids concert? And I gotta meet my twin Han Ji-sung. Do you guys think he'll be able to identify me from the crowd? Okay guys, I'm also breaking out on this side. So I kind of want to put some pimple patches. Or should I just try covering it up a little bit more? You guys, New York is so weird right now. It was just very, very sunny. And now all of a sudden, it's raining and thunderstorming. It's absolutely pouring. Are you a little nervous? Are you okay? I made some 된장찌개 this morning, so I'm gonna eat that before I leave. Oh, I feel like this is the first time you guys are seeing our new kitchen. And then I'm also gonna be air frying some chicken. Eating 된장찌개 first. Wow, I made this very deliciously. I started eating already because I need to leave soon. But my chicken's not ready yet. Apparently though, because of the weather, the concert might get delayed. I'm really hoping it gets delayed. I'm so glad I brought my cardigan. You guys, I just saw the craziest lightning. I wish you guys saw it. It's raining so much. Everyone, it's Sean Rizwan. Yes, the vlog. Hey vlogs. Hey Sean.
We got rained out.
I know, what do? We got this though.
Let's go.
Hey, let everyone in.
It's still raining. It's raining a lot.
We're trying to find Han. Where is Han? Not Han.
And remember, Stray Kids everywhere, all around the world.
Where could he be? No, I didn't look around. I feel like that's Felix. That is Sean's favorite member.
I love Felix.
Hey, Felix. What a beautiful man. We are on the hunt for Han. Han. We walked for so long.
That's like 5 minutes.
That's so long. Where's Han? There's another one. Oh, that's not Han. Dungeon. What if he's not here? We're like on the other side now of the stadium. Dude, he's nowhere. Mission failed. We couldn't find one. It's starting! Go, go, go.
What's up, New York? What's my name? This is Cheyenne. Hold my hand now! This is your boy Hunt. What's up, New York? This is Leo. Love this guy.
No, we're telling the people on the plane that, you know, we are here. You know, there may be people on the plane, they're like,
Oh.
you know what I mean? Yeah.
That was so cute, risen like Big Brother pink.
Yeah, so then when they arrive here, they're gonna be like, oh, that was the sound on the plane. What the hell was that? And they're like, shrink's closet. What? Yeah, typical. You know what I mean? Anyway, sorry. The show has come to an end. Sorry.
This is the end.
You know the drill? It's called the end. So we're gonna say that we ended. So we're gonna say our final goodbyes now. And there's gonna be some grand performances left for you. Come through the straight kiss.
전에 저희가 처음으로 이제 타임스퀘어에 와서 모두 완전
We grow stronger, kinder, and more united.
We pull it together through every milestone.
We can feel all the love and kindness and show it back.
Thank you guys for really being there for us and staying with us. And yeah, let's keep on growing together. 7 years, but yeah, you got 70 years left. 700 years left. Thank you, everyone!
I met some stays on the subway. Hi! And they asked me what my bias was, and I said Han. And she said I look like Han. Thank you. It's a compliment.